Hey everybody, it's Paula from Crafted by the Pond. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I am having a fantastic day because I got to go to Tuesday morning today because it's October. So I was very, very happy. Not shopping is very hard, especially when I was watching all the haul videos with the Jenn Hatfield, and I love her Along the Way collection. And I do have the paper and some wooden elements that I picked up, I think it was last year when the Jenn Hatfield was in the store. And when I went today, I just said, well, here goes nothing, because I expected nothing. Holy cats, ladies and gentlemen. Holy cats. They had a whole, end cap of the Jenn Hatfield. And I know I am so late coming to the party, and I don't care, because you know what? It's all new to me. So, let me just share with you what I picked up, because I was so excited, you guys. I was beyond myself. I was just so beyond. And I'll fill you in on something else too on the end. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was the Along the Way, the washi. And I know everybody is seeing all this stuff, but again, this was new to me and I was so happy. And then I picked up, I think I have two of these, if I'm not mistaken, because I liked them so much. I picked up two of the Jenn Hatfield Along the Way ephemera, and there's 40 pieces in there, and it comes with all of those items. So I was pretty pleased. Tickled pink, so I bought two of those. And then I picked up the sticker book for this one is for homemade, but I'm kind of okay with that, because they say thank you, hello there, congratulations, thinking of you, thank you, celebrate, happy birthday, perfect for Happy Mail and outside of envelope. So I was yay. And for $1.99, you know, to get 42 stickers, I was pleased. So then I picked up the Along the Way for the embellishments, and I thought it was kind of okay. I would have liked to have paid $1.99 for it, but hey, you know, what do you do? And it has the wood epoxy buttons and the little banners and some little enamel dots down here, and that was 36 pieces and $2.49. But very cute. I picked up these, the wood frames for the Jenn Hatfield, and this one is also for the Along the Way. And those are so cute, you guys. I really like those. And it's wood, so I was like, wow. And that was $1.99, and you get 6 pieces in there. So I was happy to find that. And then I picked up another ephemera pack for Along the Way, and this is the one that has, you know, the girl's face, you know, the silhouettes. I really, really thought that was cute. But I only picked up one of these because I liked them, but I didn't like them as much as the other pack. So I picked up one of those. And then I found some more of the wood veneers, and there's 21 pieces in there. And it looks like there's like looks like they covered it up. Oh well, I don't know. $2.50 for 21 pieces of the wood veneers in there, and those are all of the veneers that come in there. So I was happy. I love this little girl. Okay, this was my best find, because I wanted this so badly. And I know we're not supposed to want things, but I wanted this thing. I found her. I found it. I was so thrilled, you guys. I was actually giddy in the store. So I was so happy that I got to find this. Because like I said, I have the paper for Along the Way, and I bought last year when it was there, I think. I know I said that already, but I bought 2 of the paper pads because I just love it. So I had plenty of paper. The stamp always eluded me. So I'm so happy that I picked that up. I do have to say that is one of my favorite finds from today. The other thing that I picked up were the cute stickers from the Jenn Hatfield. I really thought those were cute. I love the mixer and the cake, and I love it. The teapot is what sold me because, you know, I'm a huge tea drinker, so I love that. And the pretty teacup, I loved it. I love the whole thing. And the lemons, love it. Love it, love it. So I picked that up, just one. And then in the clearance section, I found this Crafter's Companion die. And it was normally $6.50, and here's the die, and it's got the pretty birds, and then the heart, and I'll turn it over so you can see. And I wound up paying like $2 and some change for this die. So, and it's a Crafter's Companion, so I was pretty excited about that. And it cuts and embosses. So that was great. You guys, the tonic dies, are you kidding? Like, to go into the store, this blew my mind. I found the house ones, the little gingerbread houses. It comes with 18 metal dies, and the price on here, on this die, was initially $43.99. $4.99. Are you kidding me? Of course I had to get it. They only had one left, so I picked it up. Totally found it by mistake. Very grateful I found it. I'm excited. I'm so psyched. I can't wait to make some of these. Yay! Okay, so the next 2 items that I picked up, everybody is picking up, so it's not anything, you know, that you all have not seen before. It is, let's see, I picked up the Crafter's Companion die cut circle, the circle kit, which this is awesome. You guys, the dies in here are beautiful. They're, it comes with 8 dies, 27 stamps, 21 cards, the envelopes, the pearls. Let's just open it up, shall we? Because I know everybody's just kind of showing them, but I want you to actually see like what comes in it. So when you open it up, it comes like this, and you know, nice, packaged really, really well. This circle one is my favorite. I mean, look at those enamel dots. How beautiful. And then it comes with these dies. Look at how gorgeous. Those are just, and I am very impressed. And then here are the 2 stamp sets that come with it for a total of 27. And let me see, I don't really have anything. Plain paper. I know I'm kind of winded and chatty today. Sorry, guys. So here are the 2 stamp sets. That might make it easier. It looks like it's a big dahlia here. A butterfly. Just really, really beautiful stamps. So that, I'm excited for that. Look at all this ribbon. They give you 2 different widths. They give you the thinner, and then you get the fat on the back. How cool is that? Like, this thing is a steal. It was $12.99. Really? I couldn't. I'm so excited. So these are just some what they call bag toppers. And sorry about the crinkling, but I thought, you know, these are great. They have a bunch of different sentiments on them. This is a bargain, you guys, for $12.99. Like, I could not even believe it. You know, get well, birthdays, all different kinds of sentiments there, sentiments for your card. And then it comes with the card blanks and envelopes. And then another size card blank and envelopes. And another card blanks and envelopes. So you get 3 different sizes. And then also you get the cardstock, the different colored cardstock, and then a package full of background papers. So for $12.99, you guys, if you see it and you're not even a fan of Crafter's Companion, because I didn't honestly know what to expect, because I watched a couple videos. I haven't been able to watch very much because I'm really kind of, you know, getting ready, preparing for this exam that I'm getting ready to take. So that's what I've been doing, and trying to spend as much time as I can with my husband when he is home, so that, you know, he doesn't want to put me out by the side of the road. But no, we had a great weekend. We, he totally surprised me. I loved the whole Downton Abbey series, and he took it upon himself to take me to the movies, and he does not enjoy the movies. He likes the experience of the movie, but he said movies are too expensive, and I do agree. We don't go very often, so, but yeah, I thought that was the sweetest thing. So on Saturday, he took me to go see that movie, and girls, listen to this, what he did, because he would never watch the show with me. He would always do something else, or, you know, be in another room watching something else. He went on the internet and he watched, like different, like, if you've never seen the movie, catch up so you know what's going on. And he said he really, really enjoyed the movie. So anyway, not plugging the movie, but it was great. You know, if you were a fan of the show, go see the movie. Okay, so this next one I picked up, it was the Quilling one, and I know Tina the Crafty Bean has showed this one before, and I really thought that those flowers, I agree with you, Tina. I don't necessarily think it's like quilling like we kind of do here in the U.S. It's different, but those flowers I thought were gorgeous. And so this one also, you open it up and it's really kind of pretty. So there's some printed paper in here, some die cuts. This looks like, is this a quilling tool, which, oh, that's nicer than the one I have. So that was a buy there. And it looks like, oh, these are a die, metal dies, and there's one, I think, 2, how many you get in here? So you can, you know, do whatever you want, I guess. Continue to make, these are nice. Yeah, there's 2 in there. And then the colored card, it looks like there's, you know, all different colors in there. And then a small metal die here. And then card blanks here. And then some more. These are the gusseted envelopes. That's a great word, isn't it? Gusseted. And then paper strips. These are just some of the strips. And then some more paper strips in here. It looks like there's some leaves and some centers. So that's great. So this one I like. I didn't, I thought I was going to like this one a lot better, but definitely that circle one, guys. If you can find that, I mean, just for the dies alone in that kit to me, was so worth it. So I'm excited to have my life back at some point. So I can actually do some crafting. I have not been doing much, but what I have done is, because I did not go to Tuesday morning last month, I had enough money put aside so that I could buy a Gemini. So I have wanted a Gemini Junior forever. And I just kind of bit the bullet, and I went to the Hobby Lobby and I picked one up. I did like a survey or something for like school where I had to it was for the research department. They wanted to know, they were asking a bunch of questions like, how was your experience being an online student and whatever. And I won $100 gift card. So I took that gift card and used that gift card to purchase my Gemini, and I love it. I love it. And I wish I would have bought it sooner, but I didn't. Okay. So with that being said, I just want to mention you're probably not going to see me until after October the 10th. I have one pre-recorded video that I'll probably put out next week because I'm going to be testing my certification exam is on the 10th of October, and it's a very big deal. I'm a little anxious about it. I'm a lot anxious about it because it's almost like I was explaining to my husband, when you go to law school and, when you graduate, yes, you're technically, you've graduated from law school. That doesn't make you a lawyer. You're not a lawyer until after you pass the bar, right? So, and it's the same with a doctor going to medical school. Right now I have a master's degree in nursing, majoring in adult, acute, and geriatric medicine. But I can't get a job because I have to get certified. And the way you do that is you take this test. The test, y'all, is a booger. I'm just going to tell you. It is no walk in the park, but I've been working very diligently, and I do practice tests every day. I've been reading, I've been studying, so I haven't, every once in a while I'll catch a video here and there and leave a quick little, but I haven't been around much at all, and for that I'm sorry. But so this is the shameless request for prayer. If you're so inclined, if you're not a praying person, I'll even take your happy, positive vibes. I'll take whatever you're willing to give. So anyway, I miss y'all. I love y'all. And I'll be back as soon as I can. Okay, as soon as I aspire to come with happy news. And that is the plan, and we don't ever deviate from the plan. And, I'm trusting in God and myself, but more so God. And, but anyway, so there we are, and I'm just rambling. But anyway, guys, I miss you. Be sweet and be kind, and I'll talk to you real soon, okay? Bye.